All right, let's dive into this explainer covering the May 5th close and prep for Wednesday's trading session.
Today was all about massive risk on energy. Both the S&P 500 and Nasdaq blasted to fresh record highs.
But participation broadened out. Small and mid caps actually led the charge, with the Russell jumping almost 2%.
We saw intense sector rotation today. Money poured into semiconductors and materials, completely ignoring software and couriers.
Check out Intel. It surged on Apple sourcing rumors, dragging the whole semiconductor index up over 4%.
Earnings drove some brutal divergence. DuPont and Rockwell caught massive bids, while Shopify and Pfizer absolutely tanked.
Then there's Palantir. It dropped nearly 7% in a harsh sell the news reaction, despite an impressive beat and raise quarter.
After hours got wild. We saw explosive spikes for Entravision and Supermicro, while Primoris completely fell off a cliff.
AMD rocketed on its earnings beat. Meanwhile, Arista and Lumen suffered brutal double-digit collapses right after the bell. Now, what fueled this tech rally? A sharp $4 plunge in crude oil. That was the perfect macro catalyst.
That oil drop, it's directly tied to fading geopolitical risks. Ceasefires are holding, and U.S. escorts are stabilizing shipping. Just keep in mind, today's official trade balance report hasn't even captured the recent spike in U.S. crude exports.
Treasuries helped out too. The 10-year yield ticked down 3 basis points, settling at 4.42%.
All right, update your charts. You'll want to mark these exact fair value targets before Wednesday's opening bell rings. Tomorrow morning brings massive catalysts. Watch out for the ADP employment change and the Treasury quarterly refunding announcement.
So, the million-dollar question. Can this aggressive semiconductor momentum survive the shockwaves of tomorrow morning's jobs data